What if you could achieve perfect pass-to-pass accuracy in uneven terrain and on slopes? With AutoTrac Implement Guidance Passive, you can. On slopes, this system allows the tractor to travel off the guidance line to keep the drifting implement on the intended path. A second Starfire receiver installed on the implement communicates the implement's exact position to the tractor's AutoTrac system. If a correction is needed, the tractor changes its path to compensate for implement drift. Irrespective of the terrain, you can now achieve the highest precision standards in all your seeding, planting and tillage operations. The AutoTrac Implement Guidance Passive application runs on either the Generation 4 4600 Command Center or the 4640 Universal Display. Benefit from perfect pass-to-pass results. Get ahead with AutoTrac.